So, this sucks. I just lost all my video of the teardown of the front of the Hummer. So I gotta go all over it, all again. Removing the grill, all that fun stuff. I lost everything. I'm really bummed about that. It sucks. But it'll be easy to explain because I've already did it. There's 4 10mm bolts and 2 clips. There's actually, you know what? Let's go over here to the piece that the grill mounts to. Okay, I'm gonna bring it over. I'm gonna set it in the light, and we're gonna go over it. All right, so there's 2 spots that the grill mounts to. One's right here on this side, beside the turn signal, and then there's one over there on the other side. Okay, there's 2 10mm bolts in there, and then you got 2 other 10mm bolts that are like these screws. Right here. These don't come out; they screw into the grill. And then you got 2 clips. You got a clip that goes into the bottom of the turn signal here, and the same on the other side. The 2 screws that I was just talking about, they're an extremely big pain in the butt to get out. They kind of really suck. And I'm doing all this to remove the headlights so I can get the headlights out because the one fogs up all the time. So I'm going to reseal it, but when I get them apart, I got some halos that I'm going to be installing into them. So, and in the previous video, I spent all this extra time trying to get this whole headlight bezel out because I thought it came out in one piece. I thought the headlights were fixed to it. I wasted a whole bunch of time trying to get the one out. Come to find out, the headlight just clips onto these 3 attachments right here, which are your angle screws to set your headlight. So I was pretty bummed. I spent like 5 minutes trying to get one out, and I got nowhere. Well, this is what the back of the headlight looks like. You got those clips there. They just clip in. I spent all that time trying to get them out. So then that black piece you just saw that I had up on top of the hood, I took that out because I'm installing a light bar in the grill, the lower part. That plastic piece is held on by 4 10mm bolts as well. There's one here, and the same on this side, one here and one here. And then that thing just comes out and gives you access to get down into here where I'm mounting the light bar. And unfortunately the light bar is already mounted because I've already made that video. I was editing all this stuff for this video and I lost everything. I had 10 minutes of video and it was all ready to go and everything crashed. So here I am. It's going to be a quick little video of explaining what I did. I can't show you what I did because it's already all off the vehicle and I lost everything, and I'm not putting it back on just to make the video again. It's kind of pointless, right? Just wanted to go over all that, you know. And the one thing I do like to do, as you've seen when I was pointing that out, I put the bolts back in because I don't want to lose them, because I don't want to have to go and find other ones to put back in there. It just takes a couple seconds of your time just to put the screws back in, bolts back in, whatever. Put them in. I got the nuts back on the grill. I got these back in the four holes that I took them out of. It just saves time when putting stuff together and taking it apart. So that way you're not losing anything, right? For things like I am doing, because it takes time and with my work schedule and then the kid and everything. So it takes time for me to make time to make videos for you guys and for me to do it, right? You know what I mean? So I put the nut back on this side and the same over there. It's fairly easy to take it all apart. It goes together pretty easy because I've already had this all apart last year. I forget why I had it apart. I was fixing something. Don't remember. But yeah. So stay tuned for more videos about the Hummer build. We will be building headlights for the first time. I've never done it. I got all this stuff to do it. I got the new butyl for resealing the headlights. I just bought it off Amazon. It was last year I bought it. I don't think it goes bad. And then I'll pull out the halos again because I had it all out already and I put it all away so they don't get damaged. But here is what it's going to look like, and I got to try to fit this in it because these came out of, they were technically for our 2013 Super Sport Camaro. We got rid of the car because it wasn't practical with the kid and everything. So I'm going to do my best. I'm going to make them work for the Hummer. Should be interesting. Should be easy enough once I get it all apart. But here are the color changing halos. So here's the ring. They are the RBG color changing. I got the fancy remote. You can do the chase with them. You can brighten them. You can dim them. You can flash them. You can do all that. You can pick any color you want. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more of the build.